Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to navigate in a book on the Learning Center. It all starts from the bookcase on the home page. Start by clicking the relevant book under the correct section/heading. As an example, we want to find the user manuals about appointments in the web app for a medical practice. Thus, we will look under the Medical, Dental and Allied section for the web app heading and click on the Appointments to Diary Admin book. We will then be directed into the Appointments to Diary Administration web app book. In a book, you will find the critical business process diagram, headings, roles responsible, webinar links, and user manual links. Because we are in the Appointments to Diary Admin book, there will also be content about the debtors and patients and communication. Scrolling down, you will start to see the diagram sections set as headings. Under the Appointments heading, for example, you will find the roles responsible, the webinar link, and all the current user manual links about appointments. Now, the responsible roles are illustrated by the colored caps. They show who in the practice will be responsible for the appointments and all the functions/responsibilities that fall under it. The webinar video will be available to play underneath, which is also available on our YouTube channel. The webinar will cover all the content that falls under the topic. Next are all the user manual links that covers each function that falls under appointments. Simply click on a user manual link to read and follow the step-by-step instructions with screenshots or watch the tutorial video. The same navigation applies to the rest of the books on the bookcase.